Hello everybody, welcome back to Lights. In today's video, I'm just doing some cleaning on my Crouse Hinds Type R traffic light right here. Crouse Hinds started manufacturing traffic lights back in the 1920s. From the 1930s to the 1950s, Crouse Hinds manufactured the most notable and highly collectible three-section traffic lights, including the Type D, which was introduced in the early 1940s, and the Type DT, which was introduced in the late 40s to the 1950s. These were a four-way directional traffic light that were a three-section traffic light. From the 1950s to around the 1970s, they started manufacturing the Type H and the Type M. The Type H essentially was a 12-inch version of the DT. They featured a wider single housing and were designed primarily with removable visors rather than cast-in doors. The Type M, nicknamed the bread pan, released in the space age era. These models featured rounded edges, spring-loaded latches, and a squared backing that gave them their famous bread pan nickname. These came in 8-inch, 12-inch versions, and it was also known to be sporting the small bead smiley glass lenses. Which brings us to the light that we're currently working on right now, which is the Type R traffic light. Introduced as Crouse Hinds' last traffic signal design, moving away from decorative casting, the Type R was built for utility and high reliability. Utilizing standard wing nut, spring hinges, and both glass and polycarbonate lenses, resembling the most standard traffic lights of the 1980 era. So this traffic light is one of the lights that's been in my collection for quite a while now. I actually picked this light up in a small flea market down in Stuart, Florida, probably about 28 years ago when I was living in Jupiter. When I first got this light, the previous owner actually painted this thing with like a metallic silver spray paint, which he didn't do a super great job because he got it on the lenses and everything. So when I got it home, I took the time to fully disassemble the thing, use paint stripper and a sandblaster, got it all the way down to the raw material so I can repaint it. Then I repainted it with like that implement style paint you get from like Tractor Supply. They use it for painting like bush hogs and stuff like that. It's a very hard, durable kind of paint. After I got the thing all painted and everything like that, then I went ahead and went on eBay and I actually found a traffic light controller for just a regular three-section traffic light. This way, while it's on display, when I plug it in, it'll turn on and it'll go through its full cycle like a standard traffic light would. So here we are. This is my Crouse Hinds Type R traffic light, manufactured around the 1980s. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.